Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another chapter, that is development policy and experience and economic reform. In this we have to discuss the agriculture industry and foreign trade. The first, agriculture. We have already studied the main goal of Indian development plan, namely economic growth, equity, self-reliance and modernization in the previous chapter. In the in this chapter, we can see that the plan till 1990 attempted to achieve the goal of planning and extent to which they succeed in doing so in the context of agriculture, industry, and foreign trade. The first, role and importance of agriculture in Indian economy. The Indian economy is usually described as agriculture economy. You have ever thought why it is called so? The answer is very simple. The contribution of agriculture to Indian economy is very great. The role and importance of agriculture in Indian economy can be judged mainly on the following count. The first is contribution of agriculture to national income. The contribution of agriculture to Indian national income has always been very large. The share of agriculture and the allied activity of GDP was nearly 70.4% 2014. Second, sources of livelihood. Agriculture, rural household depend directly on the agriculture for their living. On the other hand, non-agriculture household, which include artisan people engaged in rural service, also depend on agriculture, although they indirectly. So in that, almost all the household in India depend directly indirectly on the agriculture for livelihood. Sources of food grain. Both food grain and the food are basics are the initial communities for living. Food requirement 1.3 billion Indian also may met by the agriculture sector. India is now nearly self-sufficient in food grain, especially in wheat and rice. The per capita food grain requirement almost been met. Beside this, the fooder is nearly 25 crore. Livestock is also available only for the agriculture sector. In this way, we in India depend on the agriculture for country fooders and requirement. Next, contribution to industrial development. Agriculture contribute to industrial development to be by providing necessary raw materials to the industry and by purchasing the good produced by the industry. Mainly industry in India depend on the agriculture for this raw material. For example, jute industry, sugar industry, textile industry, edible oil, plantation industry, etc. There is known as agro-based industry. Next, contribution to government revenue. The contribution of agriculture sector in the total government range is quite large. The state government get very large amount of land revenue from this sector very every year. Next, contribution to the domestic international trade. People spend a major portions of their income on purchasing farm product in domestic market. Agriculture also help in increasing foreign exchange earning as it make the important contribution to Indian export trade directly. Import item of agriculture export are coffee, tea, tobacco, cashew nut, spice, raw material, cotton, rice, fruit, vegetable, flour, etc. Beside this, we also export good manufacture mainly from raw material produced by our agriculture sector. So, all the point of the view, it is clear that agriculture occupy an important place in our economy. So, that is why it is said that the growth of Indian economy primarily depend on the growth of the agriculture. Thank you.